What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you the most basic commands you can use in terminal. 1. Uptime. Now, I'll be posting all of these commands in the description below, so you can easily copy and paste them. To open up terminal, open Spotlight search at the top right of your screen and search for terminal. Now, if you're curious how long it's been since you've last shut down or restarted your Mac, you can do so with a simple command. Just type uptime into the terminal, and hit enter. You can see that my Mac hasn't been rebooted in 1 day 11 hours and 25 minutes. 2. Caffeinate. In case you're trying to download a large file from the internet, or a game, your computer ends up going to sleep, and it keeps on pausing or cancelling the download. Yes, you can go into your energy saver preferences, and prevent it from going to sleep, and there's a chance you'll forget to switch it back, and you'll end up with a dead battery on your MacBook. All you just have to do is type caffeinate, and your Mac will stay on as long as the terminal stays open. Now what if you're going to bed, and you have a download that has only 2 hours left before it's finished? You can actually set a timer to the caffeinate command. Just type caffeinate-t and the number of seconds you want it to stay enabled, and hit enter. 3600 seconds equals 1 hour. So if you want the Mac to stay on for 3 hours to make sure the download finishes, type in 10,800 and hit enter, and your Mac won't go to sleep for 3 hours. 3. ipconfig. Now if you want to know your public IP address if you're connected to a wireless network, type ipconfig get ifaddren 0, and you'll see your IP address. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.